The official aim of Russia in this war is to denazify Ukraine, and I will talk about this issue also on Wednesday when we talk about the Ukrainian far right. But denazification is merely a code word for de-Ukrainization of Ukraine, and the abolition of Ukraine as a of the Ukrainian nation as a political and cultural community independent of Russia. In this war of Russia against Ukraine, and that makes it also somewhat different from the wars that Russia was fighting in the Caucasus or in Moldova, is that this is less an expression of traditional imperialism and colonialism, but rather an expression of a particularly virulent form of pan-nationalism or pan-Russianism, in that the Ukrainians are not recognized as a nation separate from the Russian nation. They are also called the Malorossi, the Little Russians, and they, as well as the Belarusi, the so-called White Russians, allegedly constitute one larger Russian nation. And the war is, so to say, then also fought to reunify this larger Russian nation.